Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have multiple job updates. So we shall quickly see one by one. So the first company, it's Altair off-campus is hiring, and the job role for that is software development engineer, and the job or the work location is Bangalore, and the salary of the city seat is 12 to 18 lakhs per annum. So we shall quickly see the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So coming to the skills, so first step is the qualification needed. So you should have done the degree in computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, as well as mechanical engineering, so they are preferred. And the skills needed, so you need to have good understanding of object oriented programming and the coding experience in C++ programming, which is mandatory, and it is good to have knowledge of Python. And then you need to be familiar with some of the operating systems, such as it can be Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac systems. So these are the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So this is the first step of registration. So first you need to enter your email address and then your password, and you can navigate to the next page. So if you have applied 6 months before for this job, you will be not eligible, and it says like the email already exists, so you can't apply further. So the person who has not applied for 6 months, so they are eligible. So you can just, first step is you can do the email registration. So next step will be your basic details like your education. First thing is your personal information, then your education details, everything, and later you can just upload your updated resume, agree some of the terms and answer few questions, and you can just submit the application form. So this is all about the first company, that is Altair. And the second company, it's a Rubrik off-campus hiring, and the job role for that is software engineer, and that too they are hiring for intern. And the job with the work location, it is Bangalore, and the salary of the city, it is 1.5 lakhs per month. So we shall see quickly the details. So the first thing is the eligibility criteria or the qualification needed. So same, so you should have done the bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, electronics and communication, and also mathematics. And the percentage criteria, it should be, so minimum you need to have CGPA of 8 and above. And the internship, it will be conducted in the month of January 2024 to June 2024, and one should be present in the Bangalore office compulsory. So coming to the skills, so you need to have excellent analytical as well as mathematics skills, and experience in Python programming, Java, Python, C# or C++ is needed. So any of the, you should have knowledge in at least one programming, and that too you need to be strong in that, and also strong understanding of data structures, algorithms and object oriented programming, and strong communication skills. So these are the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So benefits, as discussed, the stipend will be 1.5 lakhs per month, and whatever your accommodations, everything, it will be taken care by the company itself. So coming to the application link, you can just scroll to the last page and you can see here apply for the job. So you can just enter first name, last name, your email address and your phone number, and you need to upload your updated resume. So do add the skills they have mentioned, and so cover letter, it's not mandatory, so if you want you can add, and do add the LinkedIn profile and just submit the application form. So this is the simple application form, so you can apply for that. And the third company, which is Deutsche Bank off-campus is hiring, and the job role, so it is for software engineer, and basically they are looking for Java developer, and the location, it is Pune, and the salary of the city seat is 65,000 per month. So you can see, so the skills which are needed, so they are hiring for the Java developer, so you need to have knowledge and experience in Java 8 and enterprise Java, and also technical knowledge and hands-on experience in Java frameworks like Spring, Spring Boot, then Hibernate, these are needed. And also knowledge and experience in database, it can be Oracle database, MongoDB, anything. And you need to have knowledge of built-in tools like Gradle, Maven, and also sound knowledge in web server like Tomcat or WebLogic is needed. And also sound knowledge in a revision control system, it can be Git or SVN. And the last thing is you need to have knowledge of unit testing framework like JUnit or Mockito. So these are the must-have skills. Then coming to some of the skills, like it is good that if you have any of the knowledge in frameworks like Angular or React, and also some exposure on IBT's ORM framework, and some exposure in Unix and Red Hat Linux, and if you have worked in any of the company as a full stack development, so it will be a must advantage, and also knowledge of Spring Cloud data flow and understanding of BDD frameworks. So these are the skills which are needed for this particular job role. So to apply, you can click on apply for this job. So it is through Workday Jobs. So there are 3 ways to apply for this particular job role. So to start your application, you can just autofill it with resume, or you can apply manually by filling all the details, or if you already have the account with the Workday Jobs, you can use your last application and just edit the skills. So this is all about the third company, which is Deutsche. So you can just go through each of the company and their roles, and you can apply accordingly. So the link for each of the job, it will be provided in the description, so you can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.